大家好，我是凯莉。Last time we talked about some phrases about face which have similar meanings both in Chinese and in English. If you haven't watched that, please check my previous video. Today we're going to talk about Chinese phrases about ears, which can be translated into English literally without the loss of meaning. There are fixed expressions both in English and in Chinese, and their meanings are almost the same. Let's check. 一只耳朵进，一只耳朵出。Go in one ear and out the other. For example, 妈妈对女儿说，让她好好学习，将来能有更多择业的机会。但是女儿好像一只耳朵进，一只耳朵出，还是整天浑浑噩噩的。妈妈对女儿说，让她好好学习，将来能有更多择业的机会。但是女儿好像一只耳朵进，一只耳朵出，还是整天浑浑噩噩的。下一个，洗耳恭听，洗耳恭听 ，be all ears。For example, 你有什么意见可以跟我说，我洗耳恭听。你有什么意见可以跟我说，我洗耳恭听。If you like this video, please hit the like button and forward to your friends so they can learn Chinese too. I read all the comments, so please let me know what do you want to know about the Chinese culture or about the Chinese language. I will make new videos. I will keep updating Chinese learning videos and videos about Chinese culture, so please do subscribe my channel. Let me help you. Make sure you hit the bell and turn on notifications so that you don't miss any of my videos. Your support and suggestions are appreciated. Thank you so much. See you next time. 再见。